Let's unleash our productivity with some of the Windows keyboard shortcuts that can supercharge it. Hello everyone, if you are tired of clicking through menus and want to become a keyboard ninja, let's get started. For the shortcut number 1, we have screenshot. So if you just need to capture just a portion of your screen, you simply have to tap Windows plus Shift plus S. After this, you can select a portion of the screen that you want to capture. And just by that, you have taken a screenshot. On shortcut number 2, we have screen recording. If you want to record this screen, then this time you have to press Windows plus Alt key plus R. Now, in the same manner like before, you have to select a piece of the screen and you can be able to screen record that. For the shortcut number 3, we have emoji picker. So if you want to inject some fun into your messages with emoji, press in Windows plus dot or Windows plus semicolon. And your emoji selector is already popped up. Now for the fourth solution, we have the show desktop. If you have opened any other terminal and you want to go back to your desktop, you have to tap in Windows plus D and your desktop will be revealed in an instant. Shortcut number 5 is clipboard history. For this, you have to press Windows plus V and your clipboard is there on the screen. For the shortcut number 6, we have voice typing. Press in Windows plus H and you'll be launching your voice typing. Moving on for captions for audio, we have shortcut number 7. Press in Windows plus Ctrl plus L and you can download live captions for the audios. For the shortcut number 8, we have File Explorer. If you need to access your files in a flash, type in or press Windows plus E and it will open the File Explorer. Moving on towards efficiency with more shortcuts, we have shortcut number 9, which is Task Manager. Just press in Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and it will open the Task Manager, giving you control over all the running applications and system performance. Similarly, if you want to rename files, you just have to select a file and hit or press F2. This is the shortcut number 10 to rename the files. Shortcut number 11 is opening another instance. For that, you have to middle click on the taskbar icon to swiftly open another instance of application. Similarly, for shortcut number 12, we have close active window. For this, you just have to press in Alt plus F4. Similarly, shortcut number 13 is locking your PC. For that, you just have to press Windows plus L, which will then ask you to shut down the PC. And just by that, we have completed our shortcut options for the Windows. That was all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.